Somebody was asking me how to assess if chances of getting cheated. Everybody thinks about Rahu, single pointer. No, look at the planet in 3, 6, 8, 11 or 12 house of Lagan Kundli. And then look where this planet is placed in Navamsha. If this planet is in debilitation in Navamsha or making any connection with 6, 8, 12 in Navamsha, then any feature or characteristic or person related to this planet may give you some cheating, may just go back on his or her word with you. So this characteristic person has got potential to go back on his or her words. This is how we can assess cheating and who will cheat or who will just give us trouble.